The Air Jordan 1 Low Golf in medium gray, blue tint, and white is a modern golf shoe inspired by one of Nike's most iconic basketball silhouettes. It keeps the classic Air Jordan 1 look while adding performance features made for the course. The upper is built with smooth medium gray leather that offers flexibility, comfort, and a premium feel. Subtle layering around the toe, sides, and heel adds depth and structure, while a tonal swoosh blends cleanly into the design. White laces and a crisp white midsole brighten the overall look. On the tongue, the Jumpman logo paired with the word golf highlights its purpose. The icy blue translucent outsole features golf-specific traction patterns designed to improve grip and stability during swings. Originally rooted in Michael Jordan's first signature shoe from 1985, this model bridges basketball heritage, golf performance, and everyday style, making it a versatile and elegant option on and off the course.